Okay, welcome to the Crow Discovery Project. I have the second of 3 objects that I shot the night before the eclipse. I was able to shoot the eclipse last night, although the viewing was very bad for at least the first hour of it. At any rate, the object is coming in at the lower right here. The arrow indicates it. This one very closely, little difference in size for sure, and the one that I just showed last time around. Crowette shot this one. I shot the other one where I did the defocus test. The moon came up during the eclipse last night, well into the eclipse by the time we could see it in Southern California. They had been chemtrailing, here it comes in the right, they had been chemtrailing earlier in the day, and there was a heck of a haze on the horizon. So shooting anything near the horizon is hard to start with because it just doesn't focus well due to seeing and how much atmosphere you're looking through. And then the chem debris didn't help at all. By the time it got up a ways, I did get some clear shots. I had 2 cameras on it. The visual spectrum camera was not a lot of help until it got off the horizon quite a way. The cool thing is the full spectrum camera, which is what you're looking at here, could see the complete darkened portion of the moon, and I did in fact shoot 2 objects that are reminiscent of this but different in some ways, which I will run. Now the funny thing about these objects, and I shot 3 this night, unfortunately one that was quite different than the 2 I've showed you. Either the clip did not save properly or I accidentally deleted, I don't know which. We had not seen objects like this in, I'm guessing, months. I'd have to go back and look, but here again we see objects showing up right the day before the eclipse. As I have said, and many people question, these eclipses are not what you think they are. They are manipulated events. I have clips posted that cover all kinds of things, from the prediction of full being wrong, to the time of start wrong, to the time of totality. I will cover that a little bit more when I post the eclipse from last night, and I won't be using the word blood moon because that's just all hokum. If you want to call something a color, call it red, call it orange. There's no need to get ghoulish. Here's the last view of this object we're going to take. Coming in lower right, this is the original kind of touched footage, not zoomed, no contrast, no brightness. A lot of people commented that there were additional objects in the first one I showed, and I should have pointed out my sensors need cleaning daily because I change lenses and adapters so often debris gets in there, and when I do this edit it can sometimes make the debris look like it's a moving object because I am manipulating the movement of a frame. So here we are, we are on the 28th. We have tonight and 2 more days to film trying to get the lunar wave. The eclipse last night was again a manipulated event, and people are going to question that all day long. I have footage posted, and you will have to wait until I can get through I don't know how many gigabytes. I filled a 62 gig card or a 63 gig card, whatever that is, and I filled a 32 gig card with my other camera. So there it is. Stay tuned. I got a lot to edit. Cheers.